How to change Hibernate mode settings in Windows 11 on HP notebooks. Hibernate mode allows your computer to turn off but keep your apps open in a low power state. This video explains how to customize Hibernate mode settings based on your preferences. From the home screen, select the search icon. Type Control Panel and select it from the results. In the Control Panel search bar, type Power Options and select it from the list of results. Select either Choose what the power button does or choose what closing the lid does. The Define Power Buttons and Turn on Password Protection menu opens. From here, you can enable Hibernate mode when pressing the power button or when closing the lid of your notebook, either on battery power or when plugged in. To enable Hibernate mode as an option in the Power menu, select Change Settings that are currently unavailable. If it is unchecked, select the checkbox next to Hibernate and then select Save Changes. Now when you go to click the power icon on the main Windows menu, Hibernate will display as an option. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.